One thing they don't tell you about owning a German Shepherd is that they are very good at throwing things with their mouth. Yep.
Oh shit! I got it on film. That thing just took it from you.
To punch me. Are you gonna punch me? I dare you to punch me. Punch me. Punch me.
Are you sure about that?
Punch me.
Thanks to this German Shepherd, Christmas might be ending a little earlier this year.
We don't do that here.
Oh, really?
We put that down. Put it down. Thank you. We're on the right side of history in this house, Poppy.
This is supposed to be a punishment for you. Why is it a game?
Wait, Livia. I think she really wants it. Oh my god. You ready? Okay, alright, go, Liv. You can have it. Oh my god.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, let me see you smile. Oh, it's such a cute smile. It's a cute smile. Oh, let me see you smile. Oh, you're so handsome.
Instead of chasing criminals like other dogs, he prefers chasing food.
Yeah, you gotta go. That girl. I know. No, Arnie. No, get back!
Bruno? What is that?
Caught red-handed, I think it's time he called a lawyer.
Bruno.
What are you doing in my car? Wrong car. This is not your car. He's like, why is she in my seat?
He's acting like he just got home from a 9-to-5 job.
It's okay.
This little gardener just thought the tree needed a bit of trimming.
That here. Can you hold the straight, man?
Hi, Bubba. Are you here? Oh, you're at the front door? Are you gonna come over so we can go to the park? And maybe we can go on a walk? And maybe we can see our friends at the park? Oh my, oh my.
Sometimes we need to talk to our dogs in their own language.
Ready? Go ahead. Grab one. Did I just take one of yours?
Looks like he's complaining that the dessert he just had didn't live up to his expectations. This is how the neighborhood's alarm clock works every morning. When Mom said, "Whoever works the hardest gets double the food today,"
What are you doing? Zeus, you were supposed to be going potty. Zeus. Oh. Zeus.
after a long ride, someone looks absolutely starving.
No. You were going to play.
Tell him no.
No.
For him, winter is the best season because the snacks never seem to run out. With security like this, I don't think any stranger is getting into the house. Forget doing housework alone when you have a German Shepherd.
Kevin, give me back my purse. Kevin, give me it. What did you do? Oh my god.
Okay. You did really good.
If he showed up to a costume contest dressed like this, nobody would stand a chance.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. No. No. Your paws are wet. Don't you tell me. Hey. I don't need the back talk, Missy.
Don't worry, these are the professional hairstylists he hired to get him ready for tonight's party. She thinks she's a master of stealth and that nobody can spot her.
Did you put the rock down? You got eight. Let me see. Let me see. You got the rock? No, get over here.
I think it's time for this homeowner to invest in a fingerprint lock.
Hello. Love you. I love you. Love you. Girl. Hello. I love you. I love you.
It's only 7 a.m., and they're already arguing over whose turn it is to do the cleaning today.
You said outside?
You want to go outside? Can you figure it out?
Oh my god. Please don't help him.
Really?
For him, everything in the house is better when it's done together. Even bath time.
Hey, you fat bastard, shut up! Wait, no. Hey, I didn't mean it. You don't have to leave. We can work this out. I know we can. No. Wait, don't leave. No, wait, come back. No.
What do you have? You little thief? How did you get that? Huh? How did you get that? No. Give me that. Say bye-bye.
When a German Shepherd forgets he's a dog and starts thinking he's a horse. Snoring like he just finished a 12-hour shift, paying the bills. Be prepared for plenty of complaints if you're thinking about getting a German Shepherd. He looks like a little dinosaur, trying to bite everything that seems suspicious.
What is that?
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Extreme!
Parkour! Parkour!
This is parkour.
Nobody told him he was supposed to be the brave one.
Jackson! Hey! Help!
Shut up. What is this? So silly. Shut up.
Keep going.
Oh, really?
See?